Hello students, now very most important topic, that is pKa. What is pKa? What is the term of pKa? pKa means it indicates the strength of an acid. pKa means it indicates the strength of an acid. And one more thing here, next point, lower pKa indicates a strong acid. Lower pKa value indicates a strong acid. Lower pKa value indicates a strong acid. So once again student, here lower value indicates the acid is more dissociate in water. Once again student, lower value indicates, lower value of pK, lower value indicates the acid more dissociate in water. Lower the value indicates the acid more dissociate in water. So here strong acids are having lower pKa value, strong acids are having lower pKa value, and weak acids are having more pKa value. Once again student, what is the pKa? pKa means indicates the strength of an acid, strength of an acid. Strong acids are always lower pKa value, and weak acids are always more pKa value. Weak acids are having more pKa value. This is the very most important students. So pKa, how to find out pKa value? Strong acids are lesser pKa value and weak acids are have more pKa value. Now question is, find out the pKa value of given compound. Find out the, out of these two, which one is more pKa? Out of these two, which one is more pKa? So here, which one is more pKa? Out of these two, which one is strong acid? One acetic acid is there and ethanoic acid is there, cyanoethanoic acid is there. This is the, these both are acidic nature. COH group is there. The COH group having plus I, beside these both groups are having COH group. The COH group beside group is the CH3, the plus I group, and the CN is the minus I group. So out of these two, which one is more acidic strength? Acidic strength, what I said, acidic strength is directly proportional to the minus I effect. Acidic strength is directly proportional to the minus I group. So here cyanide is the minus, cyano group is there, so cyanide is a minus I group. So that's why this B compound is more acidic nature. B compound is more acidic than A. B compound is more acidic than A. So out of these two, A compound and B compound, which one is more pKa value? More pKa value. Out of these two, more pKa value. What I said, that is how to find out that pKa value means weak acids are having more pKa value. So here out of these two, which one is weak acid? Acetic acid is the weak acid. Acetic, out of these two, which one is weak acid? Is acetic acid. This is called ethanoic acid or acetic acid. A compound is weak acid. A compound is weak acid. So that's why it is more, this acetic acid, weak acid, so it contain more pKa value. It is more pKa value. Once again student, how to find out pKa means, that is strong acids are lesser pKa and weak acids are more pKa. So out of these two, which one is more pKa value? Acetic acid is more pKa value due to the, it is less acidic nature. Acetic acid is the less acidic nature, so that's why it is more pKa value. So this is a simple trick student, how to calculate pKa value. I will give some examples here. Phenol is there, cyanophenol is there, nitrophenol is there. Out of these three, which one is more pKa? More pKa. First acidic, find out the acidic strength. Out of these three, which one is more acidic strength? Acidic strength is directly proportional to the minus I group. This is normal phenol, this cyanide, this is minus I group, this is also minus I group. So acidic strength is directly proportional to the minus I group. So here NO2 is a strong withdrawing group, NO2 is a strong minus I group, and CN also, compared to this, out of these two, which one is strong minus I group? NO2 is strong minus I, and this is also minus I group, this is normal. So out of these three, which one is more acidic nature? Here acidic nature is C compound is more acidic than B compound, B compound is more acidic than C compound. This is the order student, this is the acidic nature order, sorry, C compound is more acidic than B compound is more acidic than A compound. So, this is the acidic strength order. So, here out of these three, which compound having more pKa value, which compound is more pKa value, less acidic nature. Here phenol is the less acidic nature, it is phenol is less acidic nature, it is the phenol is less acidic nature. So, that is why it is more pKa value, it is more pKa value, it is more pKa value. What about less pKa value is nitrophenol is strong acidic nature, nitrophenol is strong acidic strength. So, it is less pKa value, it is less pKa value. This is a simple trick, student. Strong acids always less pKa value, and weak acids always more pKa value. So, this phenol is less acidic nature, that is why it is more pKa value, and nitrophenol is more acidic nature, so that is why it is less pKa value. Now, take the another example, student. Here fluoroacetic acid, chloroacetic acid, bromoacetic acid. Out of these three, which one is more acidic? Here A is greater than B, B is greater than C. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So, fluorine is greater than that of chlorine, chlorine is greater than that of bromine. So, this is the acidic nature order. Acidic nature order is directly proportional to acidic strength, directly proportional to the minus I group. So, fluorine is the highest minus I, strong minus I than chlorine, chlorine is strong minus I than bromine. So, this is the acidic strength order is A is more acidic than B, B is more acidic than C. Out of these three, which one is more pKa value? Bromine, C compound is less acidic strength, C compound is less acidic strength, C compound having less acidic strength. So, that is why it is C compound having more pKa, C compound having more pKa, C compound having more pKa. Why? Because of this is less acidic strength. So, less acidic strength compound always more pKa, strong acidic compounds are having less pKa. So, this is the fluoroacetic acid is the strong acidic acid. So, that is why it is less pKa, it is less pKa value. This is the simple trick, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.